Hello and welcome to LitExtension, the ultimate shopping cart migration tool. In this video, we will guide you through the process of migrating data from BigCommerce to Shopify using BigCommerce Import by LitExtension. Now let's go check it out. First of all, log into your Shopify's control panel, then visit Shopify App Store. Search for BigCommerce Import and click Add App. Scroll down and click Install App. At this step, you are about to execute migration from BigCommerce to Shopify. Hit New Migration. Copy your BigCommerce store's URL, API path, API token, and client ID and paste them into the corresponding fields. Configure your migration. Select entities you want to migrate and choose some additional options. Click Start Free Migration. And now, give your data time to get processed and transfer to Shopify. After the full migration, have a look at what you have switched.